Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Arooj Muzaffar from University of Southern Punjab, and we were discussing some important topics of English subject. Previously, we had discussed what is paragraph writing, how can we develop our writing of paragraphs, how our paragraphs get better with the passage of time, and how can we improve our writing, especially creative writing. Our today's topic is about essay writing. You know that paragraph writing and essay writing is basically something which is related to creative writing. So, obviously, there is a link between paragraph writing and essay writing, but there are certain differences as well. And many students feel that essay writing is a difficult task, but in reality, it is simply a way of expressing our thoughts in a clear and organized manner. Whenever we write an essay, we are trying to communicate our ideas to the reader. We want the reader to understand what we think, how we think, and why we think in that particular way. Well, in simple and plain words, we can say that essay writing is not just about writing sentences, it is rather about sharing our ideas in a meaningful and structured way. Before starting an essay, the most important thing is to understand the topic properly. Sometimes students read the topic quickly and start writing immediately. This often creates confusion because the writer may move away from the actual topic. Therefore, it is always helpful to read the topic slowly and carefully. And while reading it, one must ask himself what the topic is basically asking. Is it asking you to explain something, or is it asking you to describe something, or to give your opinion about something? Once the purpose of the topic becomes clear, the writing process becomes much easier. And obviously, when you have understood the basic core, and after understanding of that topic and its basic core, the next step is to think about ideas related to it. This stage is often called brainstorming. Brainstorming simply means allowing your mind to explore different thoughts about the topic. At this point, you do not need to worry about grammar or perfect sentences, which often hinders students from writing creatively because they think that if they are going to write on their own, they are going to have some grammar mistakes. Well, you just need to think freely and note down any ideas that come to your mind. These ideas may include examples, facts, personal experiences, or observations from society. Let's discuss it with the help of an example. If the topic is about the importance of education, you might start thinking about how education helps individuals gain knowledge, how it creates better job opportunities, and how it contributes to development of society as well as development of the person who is getting education into the domain of his personality, career, or his social standings. By thinking about these different aspects of the topic, you begin to build the foundation of your essay. Once you have gathered several ideas, the next step is to organize them. Organization is very important in essay writing because it helps the reader follow his thoughts easily. Organization is something which works as a plot, and a well organized essay feels smooth and logical. If your essay has a good organization, the reading and the writing of the essay gets much easier. The reader moves from one idea to another without confusion, and he does not forget to create a link between one paragraph to another one. Usually, an essay begins with an introduction. The introduction is the first impression of your essay, so it should be clear and engaging. The purpose of this section, like the purpose of the introduction, is to introduce the topic and give the reader a general understanding of what will be discussed in the later portion of the essay. Sometimes writers start their introduction with general statement about the topic and then gradually move towards the main idea. For instance, if the essay is about education, the introduction might be with a simple statement about how education plays an important role in shaping human lives. Then the writer may explain that the essay will also be discussing some points like why education is important for individuals and what role does education play in society. After the introduction, the essay moves to the main body. This is the largest and most detailed part of the essay. In the body paragraphs, the writer explains the main ideas in detail. He goes towards explanation, leaving behind the introductory portion, and each paragraph usually focuses on one main point. This helps keep the essay organized and easy to understand. When explaining ideas in the body of the essays, it is helpful to include examples and explanations, because examples and explanations are going to help the reader understand the actual and core concepts of it. Examples make your essay more interesting and convincing. They help the reader understand your point more clearly. For example, if you say that education helps people build better careers, you might explain how educated individuals have better or more opportunities in different professions of life. Apart from it, another important element of essay writing is connection, which is about building a connection between the ideas. Like, our essay should not be moving in a haphazard way. When we move from one idea to another, the transition should feel natural. This essay should not feel like separate pieces of writing. Instead, every paragraph should connect with the previous one. This creates a sense of unity in the essay, and this unity leads towards the sublimity of essay, and it is very easy for the reader to understand such type of essay. Language also plays an important role in essay writing. Many students think that using very difficult words will make their essay better, but this is not so in reality. But however, this is not always true as well. In fact, simple and clear language is more often effective. The main purpose of writing is communication, so the reader should easily understand what the writer is trying to say into his essay. It is also important to pay attention to sentence structure and grammar, and of course vocabulary as well. Clear sentences make writing easier to read. Writers should try to avoid extremely long sentences that may confuse the reader, or may lead towards some misinterpretation or misunderstandings. Instead, they should aim for sentences that are balanced and easy to follow. Another helpful habit in essay writing is revision. Once you finish writing your essay, it is always a good idea to read it again. During revision, you may notice small mistakes, some errors in grammar or spelling, or something related to punctuation which you had ignored, and you have not paid a proper attention over that while writing. You may also find places where your ideas could be explained more clearly. Revising your work helps improve the overall quality of the essay. And finally, every essay ends with a conclusion. The conclusion is the final part of the essay, and it brings the discussion to a close. In the conclusion, the writer briefly reminds the reader of the main ideas discussed in the essay. It should not introduce completely new information. Instead, it should summarize the key message of the whole essay. Another important point in the conclusion is that a good conclusion leaves the reader with a clear understanding of the topic and the writer's purpose or perspective. It acts as the final impression of the essay. So it is very much important that while writing the conclusion, there should not be stated something which is new or which had not been introduced in the previous portion of the essay. Essay writing is basically a skill that improves with practice. The more you write, the more confident you become in expressing your ideas. Reading good books, articles, and essays can also help improve writing skills, because it exposes you to different styles of writing and new ways of expressing your thoughts. So we can conclude by saying that essay writing is not only an academic task, but it is also a valuable life skill. It teaches us how to think carefully, how to organize our ideas, and how can we communicate our ideas in a better and effective way. With patience, practice, and attention to clarity, anyone can become a good essay writer. So, if you do want to become good essay writers, you are advised to write creatively on any topic of your choice. It can be on your experience of something, the person you met, any favorite personality, someone from your family, any ideal traits. Like the topics are not restricted to certain ideas, they are rather having a broad approach, and you can write on any topic creatively. But you have to keep it in mind that your introduction, body, connection of the paragraphs, and conclusion should be stated well, and you should take care of the points that I have mentioned into this lecture. I hope you have understood the basic concept of essay writing. Thank you so much.